compressor, right? Rotary compressor.
Yes, sir.
Second question was,
Benefits. Rotary company benefits.
okay, only benefits.
Yes, sir. Benefits is पूछा है और कुछ नहीं पूछा जा रहा.
So let us.
सर एक्सक्यूज
Hmm,
सर.
hmm.
सर इस केस में ह्यूमिडिटी या फिर जो बाकी चीजें हैं वो सब कंसिडर नहीं करेंगे.
वो यहाँ पे हम वो सब अभी चीजें कंसिडर नहीं कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज यहाँ पे वी आर नॉट गिविंग इट टू योर इंटरकूलर आफ्टर कूलर, वो सब फंडे में नहीं दे रहे हैं, राइट? इट इज जस्ट टू कैलकुलेट योर व्हाट यू से
How much
how
amount
much
of
air
air can
delivery it is
compress?
giving at that particular temperature and pressure, right?
ओके सर.
Okay. So rotary compressor. All right. Tell me how the rotary compressor works. Do you have any rotary compressor on board your ships?
Screw compressor, sir.
Yes, they are screw compressors. Obviously, rotary compressors are, there are four types of rotary compressors. Okay. Out of which one is your screw compressor. Okay. But mostly used on ship is screw compressor only. Okay. You have vane type, liquid ring type. Okay. You have screw type, you have lobe type. These all are your rotary compressors. Okay. The mostly what we use on board is your screw compressor. Okay.
So for priming.
Actually,
Service air.
hold on. So we have vane type, we have liquid ring type, okay. Then we have screw type, and then we have lobe type. Most widely used on board is your screw type A compressors, okay. So this is used where your deck air compressors are there. Have you seen this kind of in any ship, in mostly in your what you say container vessels? They are putting
BHS
these,
a
okay,
bulk
or,
handling system.
or
Service air.
also
Service air.
Service air
Yes.
Bulk
compressor, not
bulk
yes,
handling system है
also
sir.
control air compressors, okay. So
Yes,
in
sir.
engine room they are using these type of compressor nowadays. On backside you can see the main air compressors also, okay. So these are your inside what it is there. There will be a motor and it will be coupled to a screw compressor, okay. And what is the construction of a screw compressor? Inside how it looks like? We will only talk about screw, huh? Okay. Rest we are not using it, so we'll leave it for now, okay. So rotary screw type compressor. Just tell me one thing, how it works. If you're able to tell, then we'll move forward with your advantage and disadvantage, what it is there between your screw and reciprocating. That's your question, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So how does your rotary compressor works, or your screw compressor, rotary screw compressor, how it is operating? Anyone?
So does it works like the pump?
Yes, same principle,
Two
same.
pumps होते
Bolo, bolo.
Okay, then
Same
sir.
principle.
Okay, then sir, two screws will be there in opposite directions,
Yes,
rotating in opposite directions. So
correct.
air will be sucked as per what is it, atmospheric temperature,
Yes,
and then it will create vacuum as it rotates to the, and then to the point, it will create air pockets, and then it will deliver as through the motion.
if you guys know about it, I will not write too much about it, but uh, thoda bahut we'll discuss it.
तो बाकी सब भी सेम, मतलब वो उसकी तरह ही काम करेंगे, पंप की तरह ही, बस उसमें मीडियम ड्राइविंग मीडियम ये हमारा
Same.
एयर रहेगा. ओके सर.
Yes. Clearances are super fine clearances are there. Okay. So one thing you forgot to mention is about the timing gear. This is a timing gear. These are your screws. Okay. One screw will be your male screw, and one screw will be known as female screw. And suppose if we add some other diagram. Okay. So what happens is my screws are not in contact with each other. Okay. These screws are not in physical contact with each other. What is in contact with each other is your timing gear. Okay. Can you see there's a timing gear? यहाँ पे भी एक gear drive है and there's one more gear drive over here, right? So these gears are in contact with each other. With these gears, the shaft is connected to your shaft of your guys, am I audible?
हाँ सर, बीच में आवाज थोड़ा कट गया था।
Okay. So what I was saying is these screws, male screw and your female screw are not in contact with each other. Okay. What is in contact with each other is your timing gear. Okay. What is the function of the timing gear? What is the purpose of timing gear?
For speed control.
Very good. Speed. So it will make sure that your male screw and your female screw will rotate at same speed, right? Isn't it?
Yes.
What else? Also, it makes sure that your rotors, male and female rotors, that is your male screw and your female screw, these does not come in contact with each other. Okay, दोनों अगर physically they will starts to touch, there will be a lot of wear down, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if the screws, these screws, are you able to understand? If you see it from this side, okay, you will be able to see the screws of it. Okay, so you have one female rotor, okay, and you have a male rotor, okay. So female rotor will have convex lobes, okay. This is having convex lobes, okay. So you can see over here, ये convex है ना, right? The lobes are convex, okay. And the male has, this is known as, sorry, the female has concave lobes and the male has convex lobes, right? So male has convex lobes and female have concave lobes, okay. Now driving one is your male one, okay, with which your motor is connected through a gear arrangement, that is your timing gear, okay. So male will be rotating and it will be by the gear arrangement, female will also rotate, but it will rotate in opposite direction. For example, if the male is rotating in this direction, okay, in clockwise direction, then female will be rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Is it understood?
So it is because of the
Yes, sir.
gear arrangement.
Yes. You can see the gears में देख रहे हो आप how the threads or your teeth are there, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I can say one is left hand and one is right hand
Yes, sir.
screws. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, the purpose of the timing gear, I told you that first of all, both the rotors should not touch the rotors teeth. ठीक है? जो screws हैं इसके, these should not touch with each other. Otherwise, lot of wear and tear will happen. Second is, I want both my rotors to rotate at the same speed. Okay. If I'll
Yes, sir.
rotate it in a different speed, then they will again touch, isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So they will always rotate at the same speed. Okay. That is done. Then how it is getting compressed air? With relation to pump, you can say how it is getting compressed.
Vacuum create होगा sir.
So air enters through the suction valve. Okay. When this motor is running, it will create a vacuum effect inside. Okay. And when the suction valve lifts up and it will suck the air. Okay. Now these airs will be getting into these pockets. Okay, जो screws के pockets हैं, it will be getting entrapped over here. Okay, if I'll use a red color, it will getting entrapped over here. Are you able to see it, or
Yes,
some
sir.
other color
हाँ
maybe?
सर
नहीं सर, ठीक है, ठीक है।
दिख रहा है,
ठीक
दिख
है
रहा
ना?
है।
Okay.
हाँ सर
So these are getting entrapped in this and between your casings. You can see over here in this part, it is getting entrapped, right?
हम्म
इसको इन screws को बोलते हैं intermeshing screws. Okay. The screws are intermeshing with each other, but they are not touching with each other. That is important. Okay. So when the air enters through the suction wall and it is getting compressed because it is entrapped between the screws and the casing. Okay. And as the air moves forward, what actually happens is as the air is moving in forward direction, suppose this is my suction wall, yahan se air aaya, okay, and it is going forward. Okay. Suppose the delivery is somewhere over here at the bottom side. Okay. So as it is moving forward, the volume reduces because in between the mesh, okay, in between the mesh and all, the area reduces. Okay. Slightly, as soon as the air is passing from, I'll use this color again, from here to here, the area between the mesh of your screws reduces. And when the area reduces, what is going to increase? What is going to
pressure
reduce?
The
Volume
pressure,
volume
reduces.
Volume will reduce. And when volume reduces, what happens?
Pressure
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 increase.
increases.
increase
pressure increases.
Okay. So hence screws moves and air is entrapped between them, and also area is keep reducing from suction to discharge, and because of it the volume reduces and the pressure increases. So working part is okay to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
yes sir.
Then the question was, your question was, you can see over here, this is my suction. Okay, I don't know what color to use here. This is the suction part coming. Okay, so these are rotating in different directions. What will happen? Air will get entrapped in between these, and as your it is moving forward, this inside the screws, the area keeps reducing, and when the area keeps reducing, the volume reduces and the pressure increases. Okay, now if I have to answer, your question was why screw compressor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh,
सर इसका एप्लीकेशन भी बता दीजिएगा, वो लिख दीजिएगा मेरे को.
application is for control air compressors, okay, or deck air compressors. They are used for all this purpose because normally what we do not want in your control air circuit. कोई स्पेशल चीज है आपके कंट्रोल एयर सर्किट में ऑन योर शिप्स?
ड्रायर सर कंट्रोल है ड्रायर
Control air dryer.
Dryer and this thing is there, right? So remove your moisture, oil content, all those things, isn't it?
यस सर
But in screw compressor, can you tell me, is there any air or oil over here in this part? Oil
नो
will be
सर
only on the gear side, okay,
Yes, sir.
to lubricate the gears. But can I say my quality of my air will be higher here?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर
That is why control air compressors they are using mostly screw compressors. Okay. Nowadays, पुराने time पे तो you are using only one main air compressor. उसी बोतल से हर जगह जा रहा है, right? Still, we are using those things, isn't it? Okay. So if I want to answer it, can I answer it in a? Okay, let me answer it in a way that I will compare it with the reciprocating compressor. चलेगा?
हाँ सर चलेगा.
सर थोड़ा ये इंजन और भी क्वेश्चंस है वो सब बता दीजिएगा सर.
Which one?
और सारे क्वेश्चंस है तो वो ये खत्म करके वो बता दीजिएगा सर.
See, whatever has been posted, I will take today those questions only, है ना? वो खत्म कर लेते हैं. और क्या क्वेश्चंस है? That's why I told you, please put it on the groups, हाँ? All right. No problem. आप बोलो मुझे questions क्या है. I will see if I can answer within. If it takes time, then obviously we have to consult some other class. ठीक है? कोई और class में we'll discuss it. But if it is a short one, I can say one or two
सर
lines and
छोटा
that's
छोटा
enough.
क्वेश्चन है सर, बस केवल कि एमई इंजन एमसीसी इंजन ये सब छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन. टाई रॉड टूट गया तो क्या होगा, ये सब छोटा छोटा क्वेश्चन सर. चोक्स क्या होते हैं, ये सब थोड़ा छोटा छोटा.
Manish Sharma. You have attended sessions online, these what I've taken? Tie
Sir,
rods.
not sir. Just now I joined only 10-15 days back.
Ah, okay. So, all right, we'll see. ठीक है, बाद में देखते हैं. Screw compressor. Screw compressors have high flow rate. Your reciprocating compressors comparatively has low flow rate.
सर कंप्रेसर का फ्लो रेट मीटर क्यूब पर आवर में लेते हैं या फिर किस में लेते हैं?
Yes.
ओके.
Then vibrations and your noise level, okay, is less here because less parts are in contact with each other. Only gear is in contact, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and your bearings will be there. Obviously, you're on both the sides. You will be having bearings to support the shaft. You can see the bearing over here. This is the your bearing. Okay, second bearing and two bearings on the other side also. So, but in here we have more vibration and noises. Also, you can write the. You see, this will be the same thing only. Less amount of unbalanced forces. This is more amount of. If it is more amount of unbalanced forces, then only the vibrations will create.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then here the delivery is continuous.
सर साइज डिफरेंस भी आएगा क्या स्क्रू कंप्रेसर और रेसिप्रोकेटिंग
Yes,
कंप्रेसर में?
size difference भी आ जाए. ठीक है. But delivery is continuous. Is delivery continuous in reciprocating compressors?
नहीं सर, जब प्रेशर कम होगा अंदर तभी तक होगा तो.
What I mean by delivery is continuous is uh, so if it is a piston pump, so it will only give air when it is going up.
यस सर.
When it is going down, that time there is no delivery.
नो सर.
तो
Right?
बट
So it is a
टैंडम में तो करेगा ना सर.
that tandem type is a different type. ठीक है, but you have air cooled also ना. ठीक है, but still in tandem type. Still in
टाइप में भी
tandem
नहीं
type.
करेगा ना.
No, no, wait. Still in tandem type, when the piston is coming down, at least one unit is not delivering.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. But
sir.
in screw compressors, when they are running, they are always providing it, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Okay, समझ गया.
Understood? Okay.
Yes, understood.
So this point is for that. Delivery is continuous in your screw compressors. Delivery is not continuous in your reciprocating compressors. Okay. If I can think other things that it is very low maintenance compressors. Okay. Hardly any maintenance will come on it if you maintain oil levels correctly, and these are high maintenance. But if there are so many things good with your screw compressors, then why we are not using for mania compressors? Because
Amount
they
of
provide large amount of air,
yes, sir.
large quantity of air. That is our first point only. Okay.
With
But
less
at
pressure. With less pressure.
less pressure. And they provide less amount of air. Okay. Or it delivers small amount quantity, but at high pressure. This is what we need.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Even we can use multi-stage screw compressors, but that will make it a very complex design, also very expensive. Okay. We have two-stage screw compressors also, which can generate high pressure, but still it will be a very complex design and it will be having more maintenance then. Okay. And it will become complicated also, and it will be expensive also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So normally used the application part.
सर लार्ज क्वांटिटी ऑफ एयर एट लेस प्रेशर मतलब ये क्या सेकंड स्टेज के बाद
That
डिस्चार्ज वाले
means
की बात
it
हो
is
रही
continuously supplying air, right? It is continuously supplying air.
है?
Whatever
यस
air is coming, it is same time it is going out also.
यस सर
Agreed? Okay. So the amount of air that it is supplying is more, but the pressure that it can generate, it is not that much. Okay. But in your reciprocating type of compressor, when your piston goes down, that time it is not supplying air. When
हाँ
on the suction stroke, it is not supplying air, right? Here it is continuous, almost continuous suction and continuous discharge.
यस सर
All right. So that is why what I'm telling you, the first point is also high flow rate, right?
यस
वही
सर
चीज नीचे लिखी है. Large quantity of air is it is supplying us, but at a lesser pressure. Okay. But as compared to your main air compressor, if I talk, they are giving us less quantity of air, but at a higher pressure. What we need. Okay. We need to start your engines and all with that, isn't it?
यस सर
ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 24/7 you're giving kicks only, that you need a
नो
very
सर
large quantity of air, right?
नो नो
Yes, sir.
नो सर
Okay, so these are normally used application part. It is in control air system.
सर हैव यू वर्कड ऑन बोथ स्क्रू टाइप एंड रेसिप्रोकेटिंग टाइप
Yes, this is a picture that I showed you, just now, a screw compressor one. So this is a screw compressor. Normally, till now, I have never seen any maintenance on it. Okay, I have done 3 ships with it. Uh, I've done almost all compressors. Okay,
सर ये बल्क हैंडलिंग सिस्टम के लिए यूज होता है ना कंप्रेसर?
which one?
दिस कंप्रेसर सर, बल्क हैंडलिंग सिस्टम,
Bulk handling system is what?
discharge of cement and barite from this pressurized tanks,
आपका
this
आवाज थोड़ा सा क्लियर नहीं आ रहा यार मनीषा. Can you speak little bit loudly?
sir, for the discharge of barite and cements on the carriers, they are using bulk handling system compressors, very big compressors, sir.
There, I have not worked on bulk carriers. I have done 1 ship on the bulk carrier, but
सीमेंट कैरियर बोल रहा था, सीमेंट.
cement carrier, that is kind of a bulk carrier only. But I don't know about it. Yeah, I've never seen that ship. Okay, I'm not
Okay,
sure
sir.
about it.
Only they are the filters are getting changed in this, sir, in and the lube oil. We'll check
Yes,
lube oils.
only this maintenance is there. You change your
Yes,
filter, suction filters, and you change the lube oil in your required timings, right?
yes, sir.
That's it.
तो कोई पीएमएस में तो होगा ना सर इसका
Yes, it is given,
मेंटेन.
but it is very rarely,
But it run very less, sir. Due
very
to
less
that,
running.
very less
Yes,
maintenance.
they run very
अच्छा.
less, so their overhauling time and all those things comes very late. Okay, as per PMS also.
ओके
Okay,
ओके
let
सर.
me write it. Control air system पे use कर रहे हैं and also used in deck air compressor. Okay, now obviously you can say it deck air compressors. So I think normally nowadays all ships are putting it on their ships. Okay, 7 bar compressors. Okay, and these are for main air compressor. Is it okay?
यस सर.
So, who asked me regarding your reciprocating compressor or yes, sorry, rotary compressor?
यस सर.
Are you satisfied with
Yes,
your
sir.
answer?
यस सर. यस यस
कोई
सर.
टाइमिंग क्या है बता दो ना सर फिर से.
सर आई वांट टाइमिंग ईयर के बारे में पूछ रहा सर वो.
टाइमिंग केयर के बारे में
सर
क्या
ये
पूछ रहे थे?
सर सर्विस एयर कंप्रेसर है स्क्रू टाइप ओनली ना सर
सर इसके बारे
सर्विस
में
एयर कंप्रेसर, यस, स्क्रू टाइप, यस.
सर इसकी
और
टाइमिंग
कंट्रोल एयर
पता नहीं लगा.
एक मिनट, टाइमिंग गियर वाले को पूछने दो, क्या पूछ रहे हो बोलो.
सर इसके बारे में बताइए ना सर, कुछ टाइमिंग है ये जो बना रखे हैं सर दो ये.
वही तो मैंने आपको बोला. इस द फंक्शन इज टू फंक्शंस आर देयर. ओके, फर्स्ट इज दैट माय if suppose this is my number 1 rotor and this is my number 2 rotor. Can you see this or should I change the color? Black चलेगा?
चलेगा चलेगा सर,
Okay, so these 2 rotors, okay, a male and a female rotors, these should together run in a same RPM. Okay, they
And
should run at same RPM. So that means the gear ratio will be 1:1.
yes
Do you
sir.
agree? The gears will be of same size, right?
yes sir.
The
सर
timing
ये जो
gears.
मैच होंगे सर, ये दोनों 1 and 2 गियर सर,
Yeah.
ये अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होंगे ना सर दोनों?
Yes, they are rotating in opposite direction, but at same speed.
सेम स्पीड.
Okay.
और
So
सर इसमें
go ahead.
ड्राइवर और ड्रिवन कौन सा रहेगा, या फिर दोनों
Driver
ड्राइवर
will
होते
be
हैं सर?
male. Driver will be male one. Okay. See, I that's why I showed you over here. Okay, this one. So here you can figure it out, which is male, which is female. So in which the concave design will be given, that is your female, that is driven. Okay,
driven. Okay.
the male one will have concave shaved lobes. Okay, these are known as lobe. So this is known as
Convex.
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 Okay, and always male one will have a lesser lobes as compared to your female.
Hmm.
Okay, because it has to intermesh with each other. Okay,
सर लॉब्स
and
मतलब सर टीथ सर.
टीथ बोल लो आप, अगर उससे आपको समझ आएगा तो टीथ बोल लो। जैसे इसको अगर आप टीथ बोलना चाहते हो तो टीथ बोल लो, ठीक है। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट गेयर, दिस इज नॉट गेयर, दिस इज रोटर्स,
Yes, sir. Lobes.
दिस इज रोटर्स।
Lobe.
ओके, लोब्स ऑफ द रोटर्स। सो इन स्क्रूज को बोल रहा हूं मैं लोब्स, हाँ, these screws when they are interlinked
ये
with
वाला
each other then it will look like this. Okay, when I talk about gear में दोनों का gear ratio same है, that means both will have same amount of teeths,
Speed. Yes, sir.
right? If the
ओके.
teeth is same amount of teeth and the diameter of your gear is same, then the speed will be same.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes,
या
sir.
And according to the teeth design, a left one is left hand, one is right hand. So they will one will turn clockwise, one will turn anti-clockwise.
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Agreed?
Yes, sir.
And one more purpose was there, that is the
Eh,
two rotors should not come in contact with each other, because if they come in contact with each other,
Wear and
that
tear will happen.
wear and tear will happen on the teeth. And if the clearance is more, then what will happen? Short cycling.
Yes, sir. Obviously, yes, sir.
Okay, so short cycling should also not happen, right?
यस सर.
Yes.
So they have to maintain very minimum clearance between these gears to prevent the wear out, and secondary, it should not be too much also the clearance, otherwise it will lead to short cycling. Is it understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
शॉर्ट साइकिल सर, शॉर्ट साइकिल मतलब एक
Short
दूसरे को
cycling
घुमा नहीं
means
पाएंगे,
no,
घुमा नहीं
short
पाएंगे
cycling means that the pressure will reduce, because later on the pressure can come from here back,
आउटपुट से
ये बीच में
डिलीवरी
से
में आ जाएगा, डिलीवरी से
Oh,
सेक्शन
between,
में आ जाएगा.
yes, between the gears it will come back, right?
yes sir, yes.
All right,
Sir, I want to take screenshot from FAD only from starting.
all right, okay.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो।
Sir, how the sealing has been maintained in between the teeth and the casing?
There's very fine clearance there, and you are using only paper gaskets. Okay, so आपको ये फोन में अच्छा दिख रहा है या जूम करूं थोड़ा?
सर चलेगा,
Screenshot
चल
चलेगा?
जाएगा.
Okay,
हाँ,
take one for this.
डन.
The clearance is maintained by what do you say, providing very fine clearance between your casing and your teeth, and between the teeth, and it is obtained by giving paper gaskets only. Okay, or sometimes there is not even gasket, only metal to metal contact, but super fine finish surfaces.
सर ये
डन सर.
फ्री एयर डिलीवरी वाले में अगर वो पूछे तो क्या होता है, तो बोल देंगे द अमाउंट ऑफ compressed air it can deliver. This is the only thing we should say, or like what all the
Yes,
points you have
yes.
mentioned?
See. When he asks you what is free air delivery, you go about that in terms to compare or to find out compressors efficiency, or you
Efficiency.
can say indicating its compressor performance. What we have to do is we have to compare it at uh, you
One
know
bar.
given pressure
Stay.
and temperature values. Okay, and when we do it, that is known as your free air delivery. Okay, is it clear? जो first लिखवाया है ना आपको, that is what
Yes,
it
sir.
is. Okay,
So that
so
means, in short, we can say
this
to
one,
him that we'll bring the compressor at initial stage. We'll take out bring both compressor at initial stage, and then we'll check their performance. So that is what free air delivery is all about.
yes, and then you have to find it out ना, आपको convert करके उसको ये find भी करना है, isn't it? यहाँ से आप compare करोगे, this is what free air delivery is, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is what free air delivery is, and यहाँ पे आपको ambient जो आपको देना है, that is what you know now.
Yes, sir.
That is 1 bar 15 degree, isn't it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, done नीचे.
इसमें तो क्या ही है, ले लो उसको.
Done.
This is, should I rub it?
हाँ सर. सर
सर
चलेगा
लोब
बट
क्या होता है, एक बार लोब बता देंगे इसमें क्या होता
वो
है लोब?
प्रोट्रूडिंग
लोब
पार्ट जो है ना.
मीन्स लोब मीन्स अगर मान लो मैं इसको गेयर बोल रहा हूँ ना, ठीक है, ऐसे अगर
यस
मैं
सर.
इसको गेयर बोल देता हूँ, इसी
Yes,
इस एक पार्ट को लूप भी बोल देते हैं।
okay, okay, yes, sir.
ठीक है,
ठीक है, thank you.
डन सर डन।
मतलब रोटरी स्क्रू में सर एक ड्राइव करेगा मेल वाला, वो ड्रिवन होगा, तो फिर अंदर हवा
करेक्ट।
खींचेगा, वैक्यूम क्रिएट होने की वजह से फिर वो जैसे
यस,
जैसे
ये
इंटरनल
बढ़ता
प्रेशर कम
जाएगा,
होता
एरिया
जाएगा,
विल कीप रिड्यूसिंग बिटवीन द गियर्स
and volume will keep on decreasing and the pressure will reduce, and then it will be a
pressure increases,
discharge
right?
रहेगा, मतलब ये
Correct.
continuous
It is
delivery
a
होती
continuous
रहेगी,
process.
continuous.
Okay.
सर इसके में भी
Okay.
इंटरकूलर्स होते हैं क्या स्क्रू
Yes,
कंप्रेसर में?
system will be same only. After this, after cooler तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा ना, before
ओके
giving
ओके।
it to your
एंड
this
सर
thing.
ये भी स्टोर होता है, इसका अलग से एयर बॉटल होगा?
See, the motor will be inside. Okay, there will be one fan over here, which will be cooling it. So आपका जो after cooler वाला purpose है, that is, if it is single stage, do I need an intercooler?
नो सर।
Okay, there's no intercooler required here, right? So only a after cooler. That means before going to this
Radiator.
air bottle over here, smaller air bottle, I have to cool it down, right? So there will be a
सर
fan which will be
ड्रायर
connected.
ड्रायर भी तो होता है सर बीच में।
Dryer भी आएगा, but I am not talking about the complete system right now, right?
यस सर।
I'm only talking about your compressor first of all. ठीक
सर
है
तो
ना?
मतलब मेन इसका जो कंप्रेसर सेम है, मतलब एयर बॉटल
Line
सेम रहेगा?
diagram will be approximately same only. ठीक है?
ओके सर, एयर बॉटल भी सेम रहेगा इनका?
Air bottle will be different one ना?
अच्छा, एयर बॉटल
अगर
डिफरेंट है।
मैं different compressor use कर रहा हूँ,
ओके सर
specifically
ओके।
for some purpose, I will use a different this thing,
यस सर
isn't
यस
it?
सर यस सर। ओके
Okay. Just note it down. I'll just come in a minute. Huh?
यस सर।
Sir, which one